my channel. I am Cyril. I am from India and currently I'm living in Vaasa, Finland. And today, so I already have a cycle, and this we bought from one guy who fixes cycles in Vaasa and then he sells it through Facebook. So it's cheaper because if you go to buy the cycles from the second-hand stores, it's quite expensive. You'll not get a cycle. The cycle which I bought, this would cost you around 400 plus if you buy it from the stores. So this week my sister will be joining me in Vaasa. She'll be staying here for a few days. So for that, I asked that guy to tell me if there's a cycle available. So he just messaged me that he has one cycle. It's in very good condition. So I'm going to see that cycle now. It's near my friend's house where I had gone for raspberry picking. So now let's go. You're passing the Vamia building, and this is the Mercedes showroom. Right next to it is this building, the driver's license. Another 10 minutes ride from here. There is a little here. There's one near the city center and there's another one over here. I've almost reached another 5 minutes from here. So they have bikes. They bring the bikes that can be fixed and then they fix it, and then after that they sell it. So these are some bikes that are in good condition, and all the bikes right now. And it's not that expensive. You can come and try it out and then buy, and he usually drops it off to whatever location you want it. So now I am going back. It's around 9 o'clock and you can see it's slowly becoming dark, and I forgot my phone, so I had to go back. We had gone to K Market, but I forgot to take my phone. We had gone to my friend's house and from there we left for K Market. There's one just nearby, so I forgot my phone, so again I had to come back, or else I would have left from there. So now we'll just go home, and tomorrow I have class in the morning. So I'll see you in the next video. This is the first time I'm riding after dark. It's not completely dark yet. It'll be dark by around 10:30, so there's still time. So it's the next day today. I did not finish yesterday's vlog because it was too short to upload. So today is I have to go to Vamia's Hansa campus. So, and today I'll be going to Vaasa's office because I have to complete my housing procedures, my application process. I have to collect the keys also because I'll be moving to my new accommodation this week. So I have to collect the keys and I have to sign some stuff. So I'll be going there today as well. So first now I'll just becoming slowly cold now. You have to take a jacket when you're going out, at least a light one, because it's windy and cold, so you feel that chill. This is my favorite slope on my way to the school. And we have reached. This is the main building, but this is not ours. We have to go to the restaurant building. So I parked my bike here. Now I'll go inside. Finish class, now we'll go for lunch. It's 11 o'clock, so 11 o'clock is our lunch time. So it's in the main building, so we'll walk there. So this is where we were, and this is where we'll walk to, the main building. Number 2, that's where the cafeteria is. Over there. So we got done with the lunch. Now we will go back to that building. I just got done with my classes for today. Now I will go to the Vaasa office in city center and collect my keys, and I have to also recharge my SIM card for this month. It just got over, so yes, I'll go there now. Finally reached the office. Now I'll go inside. So I just got done with process. I just had to sign, and they didn't ask me for any documents. If someone had come on my behalf to collect the keys, then maybe they would have had to bring a document. But everything is done now. I'll just go to the city center and recharge my SIM card. So from the Vaasa office, I just came by to check out the apartment and see how the place is now. This is it. It's quite small, but this is what I had available at the moment, and I just have to take it for now. And I can ask them to change it, but for that I have to wait. Where is the... Oh, there's no electricity right now. So this is my apartment. That over there, that orange building is Mini Mani. That's the supermarket closest, and that's my apartment for now. So let's look at the details now. This is a cupboard. It has a plug point. This is a cupboard. This is also a cupboard. This is, I don't have access to this. This is for the next door building, the next room. And the fridge is very big. This is the fridge. The Almira. The washroom is also very big, you can't see it. And there's a spray also. favorite hill. It's so steep. It's almost a 45-degree climb.